This video is going to talk about sales tax. Sales tax is an extra amount that's added on to your total and it goes to the government. So if we have a $14 check and we owe 8% tax, we need to figure out how much money are we going to pay total. So the first thing we need to figure out is how much is the 8% tax that we're going to pay. So we're going to convert this 8% into a decimal, and we know that we move the decimal 2 times to the left, so we end up with 0.08. Now we're going to multiply $14 times 0.08. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Multiplying by 0 won't change anything, so now we're just going to put in the decimal point. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers after the decimal point, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to pay $1.12 in tax. That's great, but we want to know how much our total check is going to be. So we're going to add $14 plus the $1.12, finding out that we're going to pay a total of $15.12. Let's take a bigger bill. Let's say that we owe $47.32. And like in Cuyahoga currently, we have a 7.75% tax. First thing we need to do is figure out how much money we're going to pay in tax. 7.75, even though that decimal's in there, we still have to convert the percent to a decimal. So the decimal is going to move 2 times to the left, making this 0.0775. We're going to multiply 47.32 times 0.0775. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 1 is 36. And 5 plus 4 is 20, plus 1 is 20, plus 3 is 23. Done with the 5. Now I'm going to multiply the 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. 7 times 7 is 49, plus the 2 is 51. And 7 times 4 is 28, plus the 5 is 33. Now we're done with this 7, so we're going to add our 2 zeros and multiply by the next 7. So I'm just going to copy these numbers because they're exactly the same. Add this up, 0, 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 3, 4, 5 is 7, 6, 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers after the decimal up top. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to owe $3.6673 in taxes, but because we're not going to worry about the numbers after the last penny, we can just round. So we're going to round to the nearest hundredths place. 7 tells the 6 to go up. We're going to owe $3.67 in taxes. Let's go ahead and add that to $47.32. 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 3 is 10, and 4 plus 1 is 5, so we will owe $50.99 total.